Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Skribble, EO with friends. First, navigate to the Skribble EO website. You'll see an option to create private room right on the main page. Click this button to generate a unique game link. Once your room is ready, simply copy this link and share it with your friends. Up to 16 players can join your private game, making it perfect for a fun group activity. During each round, one player is chosen to draw a word from a selection of 3 options. They have 80 seconds to illustrate their chosen word. Meanwhile, everyone else types their guesses into the chat. The quicker you guess correctly, the more points you earn. The artist also receives points based on how many players correctly identify their drawing, encouraging clear and creative artwork. Skribble EO offers several customization options to tailor your game. You can add your own custom word list, making the game more personal or challenging. Adjust settings like the number of rounds, which can range from 2 to 10, and the drawing time per turn. You can also set the maximum number of players, from a minimum of 2 up to 16, ensuring the perfect group size. To maximize your Skribble EO experience, consider using a voice chat application alongside the game. This adds a layer of fun and interaction as you draw and guess together. When it's your turn to draw, focus on clear, simple illustrations rather than intricate details. Finally, encourage everyone to pick interesting words, keeping the game engaging and full of laughs for all participants.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.